What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Barefoot Garage. Today we're tearing into the Type 1. So if you remember some of the Gambler videos, this engine belongs to my buddy. If you see that Baja Beetle in our Gambler footage, this actually came out of there. So one or two of the cylinders is a little low on compression, and the oil temperature is just getting hot pretty regularly. So we're gonna freshen this thing up here. So we'll tear it down, take a look at the cylinders and the pistons, and see what's going on, and then we'll get it back together and running here before too long. The other side and see what it looks like, but looks like all the rings are in place. There was really nothing too bad. The only thing we noticed was one of the cylinders, it's got a little bit of pitting in it. Yes, marks are just from our slide hammer pulling it off, but all in all, a little bit of rust, not too bad. Alright guys, that is all from the Barefoot Garage tonight. We got a Type 1 torn all the way down. Really nothing super catastrophic. My buddy told me he had actually dropped a valve a while ago, so there's a big dent in one of the pistons. You know, a little rusty. It had some water in it from just washing and rain while we were getting it transported over here. But really nothing too out of place. So we spent some time calculating the combustion size, looking at the stroke, measuring the bore, and just trying to get all ready to order some parts. So we'll probably do another part here, part 2, and get it all cleaned up, take a look at some of the new parts, slam back together, and then hopefully we'll go for a test drive. So in the meantime, stay tuned to the Barefoot Garage on Instagram, and we'll check in with you guys later.